Ever seen adverts for Open House for Research and wondered what it's all about?
Open House is an hour-long session hosted by the Research Office that invites speakers to deliver 6-minute presentations on their current or past research projects.
We have 3 to 4 speakers at each session, with time for questions and networking with other attendees.
Speakers are staff or postgraduate research students who volunteer to do a talk.
And we also ask those who win Research Development Awards to report back on their conference or workshops at Open House.
I'm Hayley Dennis, Research Development Officer, and I arrange open house sessions, find speakers and book slots. If you're interested in giving a talk, please contact the Research Office.
I'm Mandy Robbins, Research Development Tutor, and I usually chair the open house sessions. Sessions are very informal and open to all. We love to find out what you're all doing, and it's a great way for you to get to know your fellow researchers at Wrexham University.
See you next time! One take wonders. Should we do our dance?